name's Amanda. I'm a registered dietitian with Henry Ford Macomb Hospital. The vegetable of the week this week are green beans. Green beans are a good source of vitamin C and also a source of fiber. When choosing green beans, choose those that are bright green in color. Make sure the beans are plump with no decay or damage. There's different kinds of green beans to try. Maybe the snap ones, the string, or even the Chinese long beans. When storing green beans, place them in a plastic bag with small holes and store it in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. There's so much you can do with green beans. I like to toss them in a salad, steam them and sprinkle them with some dill and some lemon juice. Or what we're doing today, making one of my favorites, garlicky green beans. To make garlicky green beans, you need about 4 cups of steamed green beans, a tablespoon of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of a low sodium soy sauce, 2 fresh cloves of garlic minced or crushed, about a half a teaspoon black pepper or to your liking, a teaspoon of sesame oil, and about a tablespoon of sesame seeds. To the bowl of steamed green beans, you're going to add your sesame oil, olive oil, soy sauce, your pepper, the minced garlic, and the sesame seeds. And you're going to toss and enjoy. Thank you so much for listening to the Vegetable of the Week. Looking forward to seeing you at the Dodge Park Farmers Market.